Hey guys, back to another video. Today we're going to be guessing bird sounds again. Yay. Is that like a house sparrow? Oh, I heard was hearing the other bird. The one in the background. That's a blue tit. That's a blue tit or something. It's a type of tit. Yeah, it's a blue tit. Knew it. That takes a while. Ooh, I don't know. Oh, it's happened. I don't hear that call. That's cool. In the next video, if you want to keep updated, hit the bell. I don't know why I'm saying that. Is that pheasant? It's cute. I've never seen one of them in my life. Yeah, in my next video, if you want to keep updated, is going to be about my bird photos. So, yeah, if you want to see that, look at my next video. Is that like a black tit? No, not black tit, grey tit. Dunnock? I didn't. Oh no, I've heard one of them, but like... Oh wait, no, I do hear one of them. Hedge sparrow, that's what they're called. Is that a great tit? A gold crest! I've seen one of them, called the King of Europe. Type of kinglet. They're so cute. But I've never heard one, sadly. I've only seen one. That's a goldfinch. That's a goldfinch. 100%. Goldfinch. Yeah. Goldfinch, that's 100%. Yeah. Is that a cass? No, that's not a cass. That's like a heron? Grey heron? I did not think a heron sounds like that. Sounds like a dog. There's a great blue heron. They don't live here. They live in, like, somewhere else. I thought it was a grey heron. I made a video on one of them. Great spotted woodpecker. Never heard it though. I only saw it peck in the wood. That's a song thrush. The one in the bottom right next to the heron. Nope, that is a great tit. Never mind. Why am I getting all of these wrong? I have no idea what that is. I'm gonna go and I'm here. It's a greenfinch. I swear I made a video on one of them, but I don't recognize that call. It's a greenfinch. Okay. Is that a mallard? Or is that a pheasant? That's a grey lag goose. Grey lag, or is it pink footed? Grey lag or pink footed? Yeah, grey lag. That is a herring gull. I heard that way too much. It's definitely herring gull. Yep, that's a herring gull. Because the pink feet and the red spot on the bill. That was an easy one. I got one of them wing feathers again. Wing tip. That's a house sparrow. That is definitely a house sparrow. Heard that way too much either. Yep, that's a house sparrow. Nah, this takes like forever, honestly. Oh, Robin. It's kind of bad quality, but the sound. But how did I not guess that? That's a J. That's either a J or a... Yeah, it's a J. Haha. I always hear him, but I never see him. My god, this thing takes forever. Is that a barn owl or a kestrel? Kestrel. That's a kestrel. I love them. They're so cute. That's an owl of some sort. I think it's a barn owl. The lapwing? I have never heard a lapwing in my life. They're actually endangered. Their population decreasing. That's a carrion crow. Or a raven. Either carrion crow or raven. One of them. That is embarrassing. Oh my god. That is a mallard.
Disney and Pixar stole my dog.
Okay. What is that? A moorhen. I actually never heard of that. I've seen one, but never heard it. That's a nightingale. That's a nightingale. From the last video, I can tell. It's a nightingale. 100%. Yep, it's a nightingale. Let's go. I love nightingales. No idea what that is. Oh, pheasant? Kind of sound like chickens. I have a tail feather from one of them female ones. Don't have my camera out, so I can't show you. That is definitely passerine. Song thrush? Missile thrush. Missile or song thrush? It's either a missile or song thrush. Song thrush. That is a barn owl or tawny owl? Tawny owl, tawny owl. Ah yeah, that's a tawny owl. No idea what that was. Ah yeah. He's like, what you looking at, man? Yeah, that's a tawny owl. That's a starling. Nah, that's easy. Starling, 100%. Yep, that's a starling. Oh, I love starlings. Like, look at that thing's neck. It's like shiny. That's a jackdaw. Easy. Jackdaw. The carrion crow. That's a carrion crow. That's not a raven. That's a carrion crow. I hope. Oh my god. That's a collared dove. If you can hear that, that's a collared dove. So people think that's an owl. Like, how do you think that's an owl? Like, but if you think that's an owl, go away. That's a hard one. What is that? It's a wren. That's a wren. Second smallest bird. 9.5 centimeters. I have no idea what that is. Cold tit? Did not know cold tits sound like that. Oh, that one's tagged. He's met a ringer before. That's a raven or some other bird. Oh yeah, they squeak like. Oh, that's cute. That sounds horrible. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, yay. Ooh, guess the bird.